Hi guys, it's Miss Lion here. Good morning. I hope that this first day of e-learning, March 19th, is treating you well so far. As we always do in class, I wanted to sit down and share with you our get-to-do list for this first day of e-learning. I will try to do this whenever possible via screencast, but if I can't, I'll always send it to you in Canvas Messenger. So our get-to-do list for this Thursday, the 19th of March, it has two things on it. The first one is called Thursday 3/19/20 Ebola Warm-Up Reading and Questions. Basically, to do this, you're going to read the article that is attached to that assignment/quiz on Canvas and then answer the questions. You can, if you are in first, second, third, fourth, or seventh hour, find this warm-up under your Sub-Saharan Africa module. The only difference for honors is that you will be looking for this under the module called e-learning 3/19/20 3/20/20 module, which I'll show you guys here in a minute. Your second thing is called Africa Chapter 1 and 2 Atlas Questions. If you were here on Monday, we started those together. If not, what you're going to do is you're going to use the pictures of our textbook pages that you can find under the Pages tab on Canvas to answer your questions. Specifically, we're working on questions 1 through 10 on today, Thursday. You can work ahead, but know that questions 1 through 10 are what is required of you to have finished for today. If you are in, again, first, second, third, fourth, or seventh hour, you can find your worksheet under the Sub-Saharan Africa module, and for honors, you can find it under that e-learning module. Quickly, I wanted to show you guys where you can find these things in Canvas. So if you go to Canvas and you go to your courses, you'll go to Social Studies, and then for those hours that I've already mentioned, the non-honors hours, you will go to your Sub-Saharan Africa module. The warm-up is right here, and you'll click on that. You will read your directions. To make a copy of your article, you'll click on the blue link, you'll read it, and then you'll answer the quiz questions. And then to find your worksheet for the Atlas questions, you'll click. Most of you have already made a copy, but if not, you'll link to the questions to make a copy. To find the book pages, you'll go to Pages, and then it's called Book Pages, Africa Chapter 1 and 2 Atlas Questions. You just open it up, and then you have, once it loads, the pictures of the book pages. There may be a repeat in here, but I believe you have all of the pictures that you need to be able to do that work. Now for honors, the only difference, and I'll show you, is just that your module is called e-learning 3/19/20 and 3/20/20. So that's it. Couple things to please make sure that you remember on this first day of e-learning is that my office hours are 8:30 to 9:30, 1 to 2, 6 to 7. And the biggest thing, guys, is remember that completion of all of the assignments that I give to you by Canvas, that is how your attendance will be recorded. So they are absolutely mandatory. You must do them if you would like to get your attendance recorded for my class and have it count towards your quarter 4 grade. I hope that this first e-learning day finds you well. Please feel free to send me messages. Know that if you send them in between office hours, I may not get them until my next set of office hours, but I will make sure that you get the help that you need. And I miss you guys, but I hope that you're having a wonderful day today and that everything keeps going in your favor. Alrighty, talk to you later. Bye.